Good afternoon, welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 10th to the 24th. For August 10th to the 14th, we're expecting the westerlies to remain across the northern states. We have a ridge here that'll be moving into the northwest. And we also have a ridge here over from Greenland over the eastern states. The western ridge will cause warm to hot temperatures, and moisture south will lead to expansion of the monsoonal activity. And now we're going to talk about the west. Now, temperatures in the west will experience anomalies of 10 degrees or more early next week, and then even greater anomalies of 20 degrees or more will be possible from the midweek period into next weekend. Now, a front from the northern plains of the Great Lakes will dissipate on Thursday. We'll go to the surface. And that will be reaching the East Coast and the South Central states over the weekend. See right here. And this will be the focus of showers and thunderstorms. Some of the rain could be locally heavy, possible from the Great Lakes, Mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast. We're going to look at the period for August 15th to 19th. And the westerlies remain across the northern states with a strong ridge over the Great Basin. You can see right here. And we look at the rest of the models. It shows it more compact over the Great Basin. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region here and for the Mid-Atlantic, Northeast, and nearby areas of the Ohio Valley. And I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And above normal precipitation is forecast for the Southern Rockies, the Mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast. Probability of occurrence is 40%. Next is this forecast pretty straightforward. That's why it's kind of fast. We're going to look at the period for August 20th to 24th. And we're looking at mainly a zone of flow across the country with a broad ridge covering much of the nation near the above normal heights. So models of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this area here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more will be possible. And for precipitation, calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. Talking about the tropics. Now, the National Hurricane Center is giving this system over here over the eastern Pacific. They don't think it's going to develop due to a lot of dry air, and it's given a 30% chance of development. Now, there are a couple of westward tracking tropical waves, one south of 15 north, and over the Central Atlantic Convection remains isolated, and these waves have a large area of dry air to the north, helping to prohibit development. However, wind shear is light, and they are moving over warm surface water temperatures, so slow development will be possible the next few days. And then further east, we have this system here, and it is south of Cabo Verde Islands and has a low embedded in this system. And it's around 10 degrees north, 25 degrees west, and this feature is causing some convection to the west of the area of low pressure. And it's kind of low, but it could become better organized over the next few days as it tracks westward. Still have to watch it because anything can happen as it gets here. But right now there's a lot of dry air near the system. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 10th to the 24th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.